What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you could get Twitch affiliate and make money like your favorite streamers such as Kai Cenat, DDG, Wendy Ortiz, Jinxie, Queso, all of them. So let's get right into it. So pretty much in order to get paid like your favorite streamers, you need to be this thing on Twitch called Twitch affiliate. Basically what Twitch affiliate is it allows you to be able to get monetized. As you can see, let me make it a little bigger here. There's cheering with bits, which is like, I think a bit is like a cent, so like, but there's like someone could send multiple bits and so on and so forth. There's subscriptions are like I believe around $5 to $8 a month, and there's ad revenue. As you can see, the people at the top right now, Kai Cenat, Jinxie, Queso, all of them, DDG, that they're making money. Well, like, we could take a look at DDG right here, do a little bit of pocket watching. If he's making about, like, if he has about 50,000 subs, let's say he's making like $5 a sub, that's $250,000 a month, just in a month. So, you know, that speaks for itself. Anyways, though, in order to be making this type of money like your favorite streamers, you have to be in the affiliate program, like I said. And in order to become an affiliate, these are the requirements. You need to have 25 followers, stream for 4 hours, stream on 4 different days, and reach an average of 3 viewers on 4 different days. Honestly, if you're a new upcoming content creator and you just want to start and you just started content creating, you're basically in the same position I was about like 3 weeks ago. I had just posted I had just turned on my first stream, and then just through streaming consistently and marketing myself on other social media platforms such as YouTube and TikTok, I was able to get it Twitch affiliate in about 3 weeks. As you can see, the same requirements: reach 25 followers, stream for 4 hours, stream on 4 different days. And then yeah, honestly, reaching 25 followers, that's easy. Streaming for 4 hours, easy. Stream on 4 different days, easy. But the hardest part about all this, and what took the longest to get, is this right here: minimum of 3 average viewers on 4 different days. For that, I know there's a lot of people that I've seen people doing these methods that they have different devices such as like their phone and like tablets, and they just make different Twitch accounts. That's not the way I personally did it, but if you do want to, you know, hack the system a little bit, that is what you could do. That, and also have some friends, family members turn your stream on, and yeah, you could probably easily get it in a quicker time span. But yeah, I kind of just did the natural way, and it took me about 3 weeks. So that's like I'd say it's a realistic amount of time to be able to achieve getting Twitch affiliate. But yeah, like I said, if you want to be making money like your favorite streamers, Kai Cenat, DDG, Wendy Ortiz, all of them, this is what you're gonna have to do. It's not that difficult. It just takes some time, consistency, and, you know, if you really do want it, you will do whatever you can to get it. So yeah, if you guys want, I can make a more detailed video of how to like little tips and tricks on how to get it faster, like how I mentioned the multiple devices thing. Like, I could go more in depth and tell you guys more tips. If you guys want to see that, comment down below and like the video, and, you know, so hit the subscribe button. But yeah, that's all for this video, man. I appreciate you guys for watching, and peace.